Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to find all the videos you've watched on Facebook using your PC. Whether you're revisiting memorable moments or simply curious about your watch history, this guide will make it easy for you. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Next, locate your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will reveal additional options. Click on Activity Log. Once inside the activity log, look for the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. Under this category, click on Posts. Now scroll down and select videos you've watched. Here, you'll find a complete list of all the videos you've viewed on Facebook. You can browse through them and even delete specific entries if needed. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Facebook watch history on PC. This feature is perfect for revisiting videos you enjoyed or managing your activity log efficiently. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from it. Stay connected for more simple and effective tutorials.